Okay guys, this is my 2016 4th of July fireworks stash. Here we go. First off, I got America's Thunders 100 strip of firecrackers. I got the zigzag zoom. Love these, they're loud. Definitely getting more of these. Next, I got a leftover salute rocket. I have to get a few packs of those also. For my cakes, I have 2 nanotechs. Little cakes, but they really pack a punch. I recommend these cakes. Next cake I got Fire Eagle, new name brand. Next cake I have Imagination, also no name brand, 16 shot. The Fire Eagle is also a 16 shot too. Next up I have Cosmic Illuminator. This also is a 16 shot red top cake. Next up I have a 19 shot Venom Mighty Cobra with Bite, 19 shots. Really good cake. Next cake I got is Fire War by Windmill, also a 16 shot cake. Next cake I got Rev It Up, 16 shot cake, no name brand. Next cake I got is American Power, 16 shots, no name brand. I think this one has a performance right there. Last cake I have is Pyro Godzilla by Power Predator. That's the effect right there. This is a 19 shot cake. That's my cakes for this year. I mainly just stick to the 200 grams because most of them, majority of them are equivalent to 500 grams unless you get the big 500 grams salute cakes. These are my cakes. That right there. For my shells this year, I got Predator shells. They were discontinued, but now they're back on the market. These are my favorite shells, but they're different this year. They're red, all red. 24 in the kit. They're really heavy too, so I hope they got a good bang to them. I gotta get more soon. I'm going on the 3rd to get a little bit more. This is all I have right now. Y'all have a wonderful 4th.